Hey Matthew, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So let's go over this real quick. One thing I noticed right off the bat in your copy here is that your domain, it says setup not complete. All right, so I head over to your domains here and I see that it's not verified. Okay, so you just need to complete the same process you did for this here. All right, now if your CNAME record is added to your host service DNS records already, all you have to do is come in here and verify and go through this process. Add your default page, right? Whatever first step of the funnel you want this to land on, you need to select that and then go ahead and save it. And then for your error page, go ahead and select that as well. We always recommend just select the same page as the default page. All right. Now let's go over to your other funnel here. I did notice that you did not have your default page selected here as well. So you'll need to go ahead and select that home page you want that domain to land on. So right now, whenever these are not selected, if you're logged into ClickFunnels, it will take you to your ClickFunnels dashboard. If you're not logged in, or if you just grab the link and you're on another computer or something, it will open up to an error page, okay? So you'll need to make sure that this is selected and your error page is selected. We recommend just choosing the same page, all right, that your default page is pointed to, okay? And make sure you save that. So once you go through all this, go through your verification, make sure this gets verified, all that. Once you do all that stuff, select your default pages. What I would do is go ahead and log out of your ClickFunnels account, okay? And then go to More Tools, clear your cache, clear your browsing data and your temp files on your laptop. I'll send you a text file or a little video how to do that. All right, and then log back into your ClickFunnels account through an incognito window. It's going to be up here, same area. Click these three dots, open an incognito window, log back in, okay, and then go through and then just go ahead and retest your funnels and make sure everything's working properly. You're going to have to go through the allotted time for the verification process for this domain here, all right? So once you go through this process, it could be 10 to 15 minutes or up to 24 hours, okay? It just depends. All right, so go ahead and go through that process and then go ahead and go through and retest your funnels, your domains and pages, okay? Let me know if you need any further assistance, all right?